This is Off-Grid Ops. We cover off-grid living, survival and tech, minus the fluff. Whether you want to power a cabin, a bug-out shelter or just be ready when the grid fails, this video will get you started right. Part 1. Start small. Don't build a massive solar system on day one, trust me. Start with essentials: lights, device charging, maybe a small fan or fridge. A 300-watt power station and a folding solar panel can go a long way. Part 2. The core gear you'll need. Now let's talk about what actually makes up an off-grid power system. You don't need a closet full of gear, but there are 5 essential components you can't skip. Here's what each one does and why it matters. Number 1. Solar panels. These are your power source. They convert sunlight into electricity, simple as that. The more watts you have, the more you can run. But don't just look at the number, look at efficiency and size. Foldable panels are great for mobility, while rigid ones are better for permanent setups. Number 2, your battery bank. This is where your power is stored for later. It's the heart of your system. No sun? No problem, if you've got a good battery. Lithium batteries are the gold standard. They're lighter, charge faster and last longer than lead acid, especially in cold weather. Yes, they cost more, but they're absolutely worth it. Number 3, a charge controller. This one gets overlooked, but it protects your battery from overcharging or overheating. It regulates the flow of energy from the solar panels to your battery, kind of like a bouncer at a club, keeping things from getting out of hand. MPPT controllers are more efficient than PWM ones, especially in cloudy conditions or when your panels and battery aren't perfectly matched. Number 4, an inverter. This turns the DC power from your battery into AC power, the kind your appliances actually use. No inverter, no toaster or coffee grinder. Or power tools, you'll want a pure sine wave inverter for sensitive electronics like laptops or routers. Modified sine wave inverters are cheaper, but they can mess with some devices. And number 5, backup power. This is your safety net. Maybe it's a propane or gas generator. Maybe it's wind or hydro if you're lucky. But trust me, there will be days your panels don't cut it. Having a backup can be the difference between staying comfortable or freezing your butt off in the dark. Part 3. Mistakes I made. Mistake number 1. Cheap solar panels. They work until they don't. Mistake number 2. Exposing batteries to cold. Mine froze. Twice. Mistake number 3. Trusting the weather. Just because it's sunny today doesn't mean you'll have power tomorrow. Part 4. A realistic setup. Here's a realistic setup that works. A 200-watt panel, a 100 amp-hour lithium battery, a 1500-watt inverter. This combo powers lights, Wi-Fi, my laptop and even a coffee grinder. Add a propane generator for cloudy days and you're solid. You don't need a $10,000 solar rig to live off the grid. Start with what matters. Learn your real power needs, then build smart, not big. Subscribe to Off-Grid Ops for weekly breakdowns of power, water, shelter and survival. Hit the bell so you're ready for the next storm, blackout or move off-grid. And tell us, what's your number 1 question about off-grid power?